Hello crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel. This is a very quick video on how I created this village wreath. Now I use these dies from Sizzix. It's a Tim Holtz design and it comes in 2 sets. I created a whole bunch of little houses in different colors, and then I applied some Mod Podge onto the roof and added some fake snow. So before I started to glue down the houses, I actually laid all the houses where I wanted them to be, as well as the trees. The trees do not need to be glued since the material lends itself to just attach itself to the wreath. So once I glued my houses down, I just moved things around, just either you just reshape the wreath itself, but it's pretty much very self-explanatory and it's a very easy wreath to make. And thank you so much for watching. I hope this video inspires you to get crafting. I want to thank everyone for their support on this channel. Please give this video a like or comment below. It's viewers like you that keep this channel going. Until next time, and God bless.